Welcome to a new episode of Janik Asks. And we all know clogging. And it also applies to pump systems, especially in the field of wastewater transport. And the solution of it, this is our topic today. My guest today is the product manager of wastewater and sewage systems, Sam Coleman. And welcome, Sam.
Hello.
Today we are talking about the Wilo EMUport core. Where exactly is it used?
To put simply, for the wastewater removal of an entire settlement, for example, a housing estate or a village, as well as use in large public buildings such as a hotel, airports, hospitals. EMUport core is a prefabricated solid separation system that's built to be compact, flexible and modular in order to be suitable for installation in both large buildings as well as in shafts. With different system sizes available, EMUport core can be selected to fit to the individual inflow conditions of the application.
Sam, as we know from previous videos, every application has its own challenges. Which ones do we have with the wastewater transport?
Primarily, in heavily frequented public buildings, such as shopping centres or airports, there's a significant challenge for wastewater removal, as in these buildings there tends to be an increase of solids in the wastewater, which should not be pumped into the sewer system, for example, wet wipes.
Okay, and are there other challenges?
Yes, this is exacerbated by a lower water inflow caused often by water-saving functions, as well as the anonymous and free use of sanitary facilities. In total, this raises the risk for customers for clogging, which could lead to downtime, closure of the facility, and in total, a higher cost for the customer, for example, for repairs.
Okay, and what are the special advantages of the Wilo EMUport core?
Firstly, operational reliability without clogging. Secondly, easy transport and flexible installation. Thirdly, simple and hygienic maintenance.
Let us talk about these 3 points. How does the system prevent clogging and ensure operational reliability?
With a solid separation system, the coarse solids in the wastewater are firstly separated and held back in the solid separation tanks with our unique mechanical grill, which I can show here.
Okay.
Only the pre-filtered wastewater is allowed through the pump hydraulics and into the collection tank. When the pumping process starts, the wastewater is pumped through the solid separation tanks and into the outflow, taking away the coarse solids with it. This increases operational reliability.
Okay, and what is about the material and the setup?
Through the use of long-life corrosion-free polyethylene and polyurethane material, there is no danger of crevice corrosion or pinholing.
Okay.
Also, the pumps sit outside of the enclosure and therefore not in the medium, which means that wastewater hydraulics can be used with a higher level of pumping efficiency. For example, single channel impellers instead of vortex. This means for the customer, a lower current consumption.
Okay, Sam, the Wilo EMUport core must be installed and also need to be transported with a size. How does this work?
So transport and installation is easy, as the EMUport core system is delivered as a prefabricated system, including the pumps. Through the use of both polyethylene and polyurethane materials, EMUport core is lighter in comparison to other solid separation systems available on the market, which are typically made of stainless steel. This makes EMUport core optimal for both integration in building services as well as water management, for example in shafts.
Okay, let us talk about the maintenance. How does the hygiene and also the maintenance are made easy here?
So the pumps sit outside of the enclosure and therefore not in the medium, which means that maintenance work to the pumps can be conducted quickly, comfortably and hygienically. Similar to the drainless SANI product, EMUport core has a transparent cover with which a visual check can be conducted during the operation.
Okay.
Opening and closing the system is easy via the quick connectors, and both sides, for the solid separation tank and pumps, there's a shut-off, which then enables maintenance work to be conducted without downtime during the operation of the product.
Okay, Sam, now we come to the end of the video and I want to summarize all these big facts you mentioned. So with the Wilo EMUport core, we have developed a wastewater system that works primarily through its non-clogging and also operationally reliable functionality. In addition to this, we have an easy transport and also a hygienic and easy maintenance, right?
That's right.
Okay, then thank you for joining in and also for your explanation of the Wilo EMUport core.
Thank you.
And if you have now any questions about the Wilo EMUport core, feel free to contact us. And if there is anybody in front of the screens who has not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you should do it quickly, because then you won't miss any new episode. And now, thank you for joining in and see you at the next time when it's called Janik Asks.